Hello everyone, I'm Mike Sandoval with Remax Gold, and behind me is 4230 Stromford Way in the beautiful city of Mather, California. And behind me is a great home I want you to tour with me today. So without further ado, come take a tour with me. This great 3-bedroom, 3-bath home features 1,803 square feet, built in 2000, has formal living and dining room, and a large kitchen area. So take a rest of the tour and meet me in the backyard. Now, wasn't that an amazing tour? Well, if you'd like to see this home in person, please reach out to me anytime at 916-798-9417. Again, Mike Sandoval with Remax Gold, and I'll catch you next time.